The meeting was the fifth joint review between the Ministry of Health and InterHealth Canada on the progress of the two new hospitals in Providenciales and Grand Turk. It will also be followed by another on Monday at the Provo Hospital, where Minister of Health Honorable Royal Robinson will be given a walkthrough of the construction process, expected to be complete in January 2010. While Honorable Royal Robinson declined to be interviewed by News 4, in a press release from Government Information Services, the Minister of Health said that the ministry has to, quote, keep the pressure on and make sure that we stick to the timelines that were established. He continued, we all can see from the site the progress that we have been making. There are some small areas we are behind, and we will be tending to those to ensure that they are back on track, end quote. The two hospitals will reportedly leave the TCI government a whopping $120 million tab at its completion and will be managed by InterHealth Canada for a period of 25 years. The press release also states that key functionaries for InterHealth Canada, Director George Commander and International Legal Counsel John Hyland were both present at the meeting. Commander noted, quote, though we have had a few setbacks along the way, namely the hurricanes of last summer, we are supremely confident that we will be declared fit for purpose on the 10th of January 2010. Honorable Robinson also said at the end of December, it is the team's intent to have the build component completed and shortly thereafter have the hospitals fully completed and open to accept patients and give the care that is required, end quote. The hospital is scheduled to open its doors in April 2010, and just last month, officials from the Ministry of Health announced that the contract for Southern Health Network was not renewed. The company was contracted back in 2006 to handle third-party administration and oversee medical referrals for patients abroad. Medical referrals for Turks and Caicos patients receiving medical attention abroad will now be managed by the Turks and Caicos Islands Health Department. For WIV4 News, I'm Angie Toussaint.